Hi guys, welcome back to the third video of the Battle Cats. I made some shorts. Also, I made a poll if y'all want to do that. Oh wait, we just got a new cat. I'm gonna check that out. But, all in all, thank you guys for the support. Let me see if I can find the new cat right here. I don't know where it's at. Oh wait, do I need to equip it? Oh, what is this? But anyway, just thank you guys for what y'all have been doing, supporting me and stuff. Tricycle cat. The coolest cat on the block. Area attack, can't ride a real bike. Parents said no. Huh. But anyway, like I said, we're going to be changing our loadout, keeping these three, and maybe, yeah, we're just going to change the loadout a lot. I don't think we need swimmer cat. I'm going to replace the swimmer cat with, where's that guy? This guy. Because doesn't he like slow? He weakens. And weaken is kind of good, I think, because it'll make it so our units are stronger. I'm going to get this metal cat. I should probably get some more red DPS. Oh, I can't forget Salon cat. And then, what's better, pirate cat or Viking cat? I think I would go with pirate cat. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go with Viking cat. But anyway, let's open this up and then I'm gonna upgrade some of our cats. Let's see what we get. Wait a minute. Lizard cat. Wait. What? We got a new cat. Oh my goodness. We just got a new cat. Lizard cat. Whoa. But I'm pretty sure you're just a worse version of the cat that I already got. So I'm not going to use you. Should I upgrade this guy to level like 10 or something? I don't know. Or should I try to upgrade my like special cats? But it gets expensive. I don't know. I'm gonna do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! We got a wall cat. Let's go. All right, let's do Egypt. So last time we faced the goat, or no, Baba. Yeah, this dude was a new enemy that we faced. So let's see what we face in Egypt. Here we go. Alright, so you already know the strategy if you watch my videos. Not even my videos, if you watch my shorts. Thief cat, like 3 thief cats, and then just get all the money. I might upgrade the thief cats. Oh. Let me just get full money. Oh my, there's already a sheep. No, not a sheep. There's already a baba and a piggy. Kill them all. Let's go. All right, let's send out the lizard cat. See, he's so good. Look, he just one-shotted. He can't one-shot the piggy, though. And he comes back so fast. These guys might be my new guys. And the wildcats are pretty good, too. All right, let's get the army up in here. Charge! Defeat, oh, there's so many babas. There's so many babas. I might just call them, like, their animal name instead of their game name. Because that's probably going to be hard to remember. It's a lot easier to remember. Ooh, turkey. I think this is the most enemies we face, right? Yeah. Usually we only face like 5. That's 7. This is 8. So, since it's called turkey, I wonder if, we're going to fight like a turkey. Because that would make the most sense. Come on. Come on, thief cats. All the way, all the way. All the way. So, like, anyway, I'm going to talk about my video, like, other videos now. And just talk to y'all. But, so far, I've been thinking about doing, like, 4 shorts for, like, every video I make. So that way, I'm not fully shorts, but also I get that shorts people. I should probably get some shields. He's gonna die. Get back! Oh, he's tanky. Let's get that pogo cat, right? No, vulture cat. He deals a lot of damage, too. He one-shots him, too. But yeah. That's my goal. I think I already said it, but I have a poll going on. So, if you feel like doing that, it's about the, battle cats, about me making a playlist. If you go vote on that, that'd be cool. If you want to watch my shorts, you just click on my channel, and you'll find them. But yeah, we won. 20,000 XP is a lot. Should I try this again, guys? Let's do it. I mean, there's no point in not doing it. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. But last time I did that, I got something really good after. Come on, come on. Whoa. What is he? What are you? Weightlifter cat. I'm gonna do it again. Come on, come on. Big money, big money. Yeah, you didn't look too good. Oh well. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of you for XP. Weightlifter cat. That's cool. And then these guys. Oh. I'm pretty tired. I don't know why. I'm like really tired. But I don't know. Should I upgrade you? Yeah, let's do it. Let's just get you to level 5. And let's get the wallet and stuff maxed out. Ooh, that looks good. What should I upgrade for the rare people? I guess just Salon Cat, right? Just upgrade Salon. Only one time. I'll do that later. Russia. We're going into Russia. Here we go. It's going to be a big battle. Oh, we're in the snow. This game makes no sense. How is there penguins in the... Oh, wait, no, that makes sense. Penguins are originated. But why are there, like... Okay, you know what? Never mind. Never mind. I refrain from what I was trying to say. I started this level off weird. And that's why I'm probably going to lose. Unless Lizard Cat gets a hit off. I kind of like Lizard Cat, but also it kind of sucks up the money that my original cat would do. My thief cat. But other than that, it's cool, you know? It's pretty cool. Whole bunch of gorillas. A lot of gorillas. But they don't do anything. They can't beat me. We stronger than them gorillas. Woo! We got vodka. Huh. So let's upgrade the cat cannon range. 'Cause, you know, I feel like it don't, and the power. 'Cause I feel like it don't deal enough damage. Whoa! What is this? No, it's more gambling and pay to win. I don't want to pay to win. Oh, we got a rare ticket. Don't rare tickets mean like, yeah. Yo, what is that? Yo, we got a uber rare. No, uber super rare. I don't know how to pronounce that. Was that one of these guys? Yeah. Let's see what he is. Dark and floating enemies. Huh. Yo. My first uber rare. How much money is him? How much money is he? What? Third. Yeah, I'm not affording that. What do I get rid of? I don't use you. Let's try him out, guys. Let's try him out in Greece. Let's see what we can do. Oh, this map is tiny. We're probably going to have to do the thief cats. Can I even afford this guy? He might be too expensive. I mean, I did max out my wallet, though. Like, my capacity. Hold on, we might be able to afford him. If my thief cats can kill a little bit more. Okay, I think we're going to get him. Come on. Ooh, our laser beam goes all the way. Okay, we can get him now. Let's save up by, let's just do this. Get a little bit of them wall cats. Get a little bit of this going. Okay, we killed the pig. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Laser beam. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. He's fast. You just sliced him. I can't tell how much damage he's doing. What is that? Is that a seal? He's got some big chompers. He just one-shotted it. Or maybe he two-shot it. Oh, that thing deals a lot of damage. I mean, not a lot of damage. I mean, it does deal a lot of damage. But, I mean, it has a lot of, like, traits or whatever. Like, it's like, this dude's, like, my most. But now it's this dude. But that makes sense. He is an Uber dude. Actually, no. It would make sense for an Uber dude to, be good. I don't don't know when we're gonna face dark or floating, but maybe eventually we'll face a dark floating or something. But we did it! Gamatoto? What? What? I really want to get this platinum ticket. Gamatoto, what are you? Am I pronouncing that right? Hold on. Gamatoto. Alright, I just did 6 hours. I'm assuming that's the best option. I'm not gonna play for 6 hours though. You got me tripping. Bean cats. All these special cats are kind of trash. I don't really want to use them. Especially since I got a new Uber Rare. Alright, I'm probably going to do this level, and then I'm probably going to end the video here. So that way it's going to be about like 30 minutes. Here we go. Italy. We have the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let's see what we can do. This map is very long compared to the other map. Greece or whatever. Let's send out a wall cat to save up money. And then a thief cat. Fire! Almost. Let's get out another wall cat. Okay. Okay, the piggy cat was really hard to kill. I think the piggy cat can hit my cats through the wall cat, right? Or something. Alright, here we go. We're at the base. None's coming out. Oh, penguin. A gorilla. Are you area? Yeah, you are area. So doesn't that mean, like, I group a whole bunch of enemies, you can kill them? I don't know. Doesn't really seem like an area. He seems more like a single. It seems like he deals damage to like a group, but he doesn't like deal full damage to the group. Weird. I think our brainwashed lizard cat and whatever this dude is gonna like help us do the rest of the game here. Laser. Let's just get these guys away. Did that dude just deal 6,000 damage? There's a new cat. Hold on, guys. Let me see what new cat. New cat? Titan cat? Whoa. Okay, guys, this is a perfect spot to end because it's a cliffhanger, meaning that people are going to watch the next video. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment, or just watch the video to the end, like right now. And, yeah, next video, we're going to try out more of this dude. We're going to try out this Titan cat, and we're going to see if we can maybe get out of Europe on the map. But, yeah, see ya. Bye.